Practice test question number 1. What is 10% of 470? This question is testing your understanding of number and quantity. What is 10% of 470? Well, we have a few different approaches to this. One approach is using a formula. You may have seen the formula part over whole equals percent over 100. You may have also seen it as is over of is equal to percent over 100. Let's see if we can find the information in our given statement and plug it into our formula. So one thing I might try to find is this percentage. Well, the percentage in the question is 10. So I can fill in a 10 over here. The whole, or the of, what is 10% of 470? The whole thing that I'm working with is 470. I can plug that in over here. The part, what is 10% of 470? The number that goes with is what? Oh, that is my unknown number. I can plug in x. Then in this 100 position, well, I just always fill in 100. That's not a variable. It's not a thing that gets replaced. The 100 always belongs there in the formula. Now that I have this, I can use my strategy of cross multiplication to solve for x. So x times 100 is 100x. 470 times 10 is 4,700. And then to fully solve the equation, I need to cancel this 100. I cancel a coefficient by dividing by it. And I'll do the same on both sides to stay balanced. 100 divided by 100 is an invisible 1, leaving us with just x, equals 4,700 divided by 100, which is 47. So my answer is B, 47. But there's some other approaches that we could take. Another approach, if you're already comfortable with what percentages mean, you may have noticed that whenever we have the word of between two numbers, that means multiply. Anytime we see of between two numbers, it's multiply. So what is 10% of 470? That is just asking what is 10% times 470. We may also know that percentage could be translated as over 100. So 10% means 10 over 100. So this question is asking us to calculate 10 over 100 times 470. I could type that into a calculator and once again get 47. The last approach that we might think of is a bit of a shortcut. We might have memorized this fun fact that 10% of any number can be found by just moving the decimal point one position to the left. So if I've got 470 and then decimal point, which was invisible in the question, but 470 decimal point, I can just move the decimal point one position over. Now I've got 47 decimal point 0, 47 and 0 tenths, or just 47. So whichever approach you take, you should get the answer of B, 47.